Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple accounts on Facebook. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's immediately jump into the tutorial. All you need to do is when you open Facebook, you need to click on menu just like this, and what you're then going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down until you find this button right here called log out, and what you're going to do is you're going to log out of your Facebook account. Don't worry, all your information and everything will still be saved. All you need to do is click on log out. Now what you can do is I can simply log back into that account by clicking on log in again, of course, and see I'm immediately back into it. I don't even have to put in my password or anything. It's really easy. So I can click on no logout for now. I'm going to log out, and if you want to add another account, what you can simply do is click on log in to another account. You can then add a phone number, an email and a password, log into that account, and then you can easily switch between multiple accounts over on Facebook, and you can simply log into them by clicking on login, and that's literally all you need to do to use multiple accounts over on Facebook. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.